Hello, we have finished the developing work for the Daikin BRC 51D65 thermostat model. The adapter. I just need two cables to connect with the indoor unit or the thermostat connector A and B. It goes through the 485 protocols. Now, just like before, the original thermostat will not sync the state of the on-off state, but it will sync the compressor work state. If the compressor is working, the original thermostat will appear the compressor 1 or 2 is working. Now you can see the compressor has the output. If we off the nest, we will see, and now the fan is working. The fan is working. Let me see. The fan is working. The fan is working. Okay, let's turn off the nest. We will see the compressor will off. Okay, the compressor will off, and there will no voltage output. So now the fan will not work. Okay, it also can work on only fan model. We'll see the fans work. The fans work, but the compressor is not work. So it will be so good. Thank you.